Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. For those who are my subscribers for a while now, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a different video than I normally do. It's not to do with the physical work of the farm itself or allotment that you have, but the repairs. Repairs are essential to something, because I needed to repair my shed because obviously in the UK at the moment there is a substantial amount of rain. My other video you saw, there's a lot of flooding, and I do not want a lot of water to be going into my shed. I don't want it to rot. I literally don't want my shed to be underwater and going out to sea. And what a beautiful day it is in the UK today. I don't know if everybody can see that. It is a fantastic day today. It is amazing. So what I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using hammer. Obviously you need this, and some tacks. These are tacks. These are was it L20? I don't know if you guys can see the L20 millimeters thing, because I'm going to be putting up a felt. I'm going to show you guys that one. Yeah, I'm going to be using this felt here. I bought this in B&Q. It's really meant for the top of the roofing, but felt can be put aside. Let me just show you, because I have used it before to put on my shed at home, and this shed here, you can see it's starting to deplete. It's losing its waterproofing, so I need to either take this off or put it over it. I might actually put it over it and actually keep, you know, extra protection. It definitely needs some protection, as you can see, guys. So I'm gonna have to be doing that, because I'm gonna show you guys that today. I'm gonna do it around here as well. I'm definitely gonna have to do that and get it up to par, because there's too much water right now. As you can see, it's starting to soak in a little bit there, and I don't want that to happen. So I definitely want to tear this off, or keep some of them. Some of them I might keep, some of them I might remove. And I'll place that on there for a bit. What I'm going to do first is actually open the felt. By the way, guys, this felt is 18 kilograms, and it's not so cheap. I paid £20 for it. So what I'm going to do... Oh, B&Q, guys, can't go wrong. Not bad prices. It's not the cheapest either, but this is to do the job I need it for. As I said, it's meant to really only go for the roof, but I'm going to use it the side here to make sure it's waterproof, because you have to waterproof everything that you have to secure it, especially with the rainy times at the moment in the UK. The waterproof is too much. You don't want to lose anything. You don't want to roll it out. Estimate, because I didn't bring a tape measure with me, estimate how much of it I will be needing, and then I'm going to cut it to the size that I need. So I'm going to do that first top bit there, this top bit there, I'm going to do that first and see how I go. Let's do that. So I've rolled it out a little bit. I can see how much of it I need. I'm going to cut approximately this amount there. Maybe I should have bought a Stanley, guys. I'm telling you guys, the tools are so important when you're doing any work. I did not buy a Stanley. But this is just as good as what I have here is just as good. So let's stick this up, guys, and let's see what happens. speed it up for you guys. Because I cut the first one so short, voila, that one there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually lift the felt up and roll it along, because I don't have a measurer, so I'm going to roll it along the side of the shed to estimate how much I need and to get a perfect cut. Let's try that and see how we go. As you can see, guys, I've rolled it out, and I rolled it along like this here and cut it much better accuracy than I did with this. So let me try to get this one up, because up in the sky, the beautiful Mother Earth is saying it's a possibility of rain. So I'm going to crack on with this and see how far we can go and see actually how much I'll have left. But I'm looking at the roll. The roll is disappearing quickly, and I still have all of this to do, and I definitely have to get some around the side here in some way. So let's see how we go with that. We'll definitely keep the water out. There's a bit of bubbling in there, but when I get the other piece on top of that, that should be fine. And I can feel a bit of rain. Oh, please, Jesus, please don't let it rain. Not right now, anyway. It can rain later, but not now. There you go, guys. The gap that inside there, I filled in that. As you guys can see, not a bad job. Just need to fill in this area here because it's starting to rain. I was trying to avoid it all the way through today, and it's drizzling a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's drizzling a bit, so still gotta keep going because I want to keep that water out of the shed. So guys, the gap that inside there, I filled in that. As you guys can see, not a bad job. Just need to fill in this area here because it's starting to rain. I was trying to avoid it all the way through today, and it's drizzling a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's drizzling a bit, so still gotta keep going because I want to keep that water out of the shed. That's the finished product, guys. I think I did a decent job. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you think I did a good job or a bad job? Choice is yours. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed.